In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar skin color. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you would like to change the skin color of your avatar, then go ahead and tap on your avatar here once you have logged into your account. And here you can see your skin color. Head over to this icon and tap on it. And under it, go ahead and choose the color circle here. And here you should see quite a number of colors that you can choose from. Choose any of these colors, or you can also tap on advanced to see more colors that you'll wish. So if you tap on any of the color, you can see the skin color will change. And now you can also adjust the intensity of that color using this bar. So that's how you can change your avatar skin color on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.